Hello. Welcome to Kinyarwanda lessons. I am going to share with you this lesson, learning Kinyarwanda from news. So let us see this title and see if we can understand it. So the title is saying Tiger Woods, that's the name, yatangaje ko akundana na Vanessa wahoze ari umukazana wa Trump. Okay, so let us learn some vocabularies from this phrase and let's try to understand what this title is saying. So first of all is Tiger Woods. So Tiger Woods, you know him. Those who don't know him, we're going to Google and look for the name. Okay, so this man called Tiger Woods, who is playing like golf, big champion in golf, yatangaje, gutangaza, yatangaje is to communicate or to announce. It's coming from gutangaza, yatangaje. So he announced. So you say yeah, it means it is he. Okay. Yatangaje. You can say natangaje, I announced. Watangaje, you announced. Yatangaje, he or she announced. So Tiger Woods said, or he communicated, or he said that ko is that akundana. Gukunda has to go in relationship with, or to kundana coming from the verb love. Gukunda is to love. So akundana, so in love with. Okay. So if I say I love you, we can say ndagukunda. So akundana, it means he is in love with. Okay. Akundana na with Vanessa, that is the name, Vanessa. Wahoze, it means who was, okay. Wahoze, Ari, I think if you go into my lessons, you understand what it means. Ari is to be. Umukazana, that is daughter-in-law, actually. Okay, okay. So umukazana wa Trump, okay. Umukazana wa Trump mean is the son of Trump married this woman, Vanessa. So you can say now, if you go into the whole title, you can say Tiger Woods yatangaje ko. So Tiger Woods said that he is in love with Vanessa, who was the daughter-in-law of President Trump. Okay? Tiger Woods yatangaje ko akundana na Vanessa wahoze ari umukazana wa Trump. So in Kinyarwanda, you can say Tiger Woods yatangaje ko akundana na Vanessa wahoze ari umukazana wa Trump. Now I think you understand these words. So what I want you to learn from this one is gutangaza. Gutangaza, that's to communicate or to announce. Okay. Akundana is to love with. Okay. Wahoze, who was. Umukazana, daughter-in-law. Okay. So if you get these three words, you can start now trying to formulate some of the phrases. You can say, okay, Vanessa akundana na Tiger Woods. Okay, which means Vanessa is in love with Tiger Woods, or she's going with Tiger Woods. Okay. This is the kind of the text I want to show you today. I hope this is going to help you, and we continue to keep teaching you some of those phrases that can help you in your regular learning in Rwanda. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye bye.